This video guides you on adjusting the side mirrors of your Mazda CX-3 from 2015 to 2022. Proper adjustment is crucial for minimizing blind spots and ensuring safe driving. Whether you have manual or power mirrors, this tutorial covers the basics. The CX-3 is no longer in production, but these steps remain relevant for owners of used models. Here you can see the side mirror that needs adjustment. This diagram shows how proper adjustment eliminates blind spots. The Mazda CX-3 comes with two types of side mirror controls depending on the trim level. Base trims feature manual mirrors that you adjust by hand from inside the vehicle. Higher trims like Touring or Grand Touring include power mirrors controlled by switches on the driver's door panel. To identify which type you have, check your trim level and look for the control switches on the driver's door panel. To adjust manual mirrors, gently grasp the mirror housing. Tilt it inward or outward and up or down until you achieve the optimal viewing angle. Ensure the horizon appears at the bottom third of the mirror. Repeat for the other side. Regularly check for and correct any vibrations or loose mounts, which could indicate wear. Lubricate the hinges of the manual mirrors if necessary. For electric mirrors on the Mazda CX-3, begin by locating the control panel on the driver's side door. This control panel features buttons and switches for mirror adjustments. Use the joystick or directional buttons to move the selected mirror up, down, left, or right. A selector switch lets you choose the left or right mirror to adjust. Adjust until the horizon appears at the bottom third of the mirror for optimal visibility. Foldable mirrors can be folded manually or via a button to prevent damage in tight spaces. Even with properly adjusted mirrors, blind spots can still pose a safety risk in the Mazda CX-3. This image illustrates how a small convex mirror, attached to the side mirror, provides a wider view to help eliminate blind spots. Convex mirrors are an affordable and simple solution that many CX-3 owners add to their vehicles. As technology becomes more affordable, retrofitting with blind spot monitoring systems has become a popular trend among CX-3 owners, enhancing safety by alerting drivers to hidden dangers. Regularly clean your mirrors to avoid distortion caused by dirt or debris. Use a soft cloth and gentle cleaner to maintain clear visibility. Check for vibrations or loose mounts, especially on older models. Loose connections can affect mirror stability and visibility. If you have power mirrors, ensure the controls are responsive. Test each direction to confirm proper operation. If controls are not responsive, check the fuse or consult a mechanic. The CX-3 is discontinued, so software updates for power mirrors are no longer supported by Mazda. Properly adjusted side mirrors are a critical safety feature that can help prevent accidents. By following the adjustment steps covered, you can maximize your visibility and minimize blind spots in your Mazda CX-3. Remember to check and readjust your mirrors before every drive to maintain optimal safety. Stay safe out there. Additionally, consider simple DIY upgrades like aftermarket convex mirrors to further reduce accident rates by up to 15%, according to safety data.